Multiply 8.3847 by 100 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 8 is 8. The third partial product is 8,384,700. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. In the thousands column, 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. In the 10,000s column, 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. In the 100,000s column, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the millions column, bring down 8. The product of the whole numbers is 8,384,700. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 4 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 4 decimal places. Place the decimal point 4 places from the right. 8,384,700 becomes 838.4700. That is simply 838.47. So 8.3847 times 100 is 838.47.